What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review video. This is something I got for Christmas from Samantha, and I really wanted to show you guys this. This is something that's going to come in handy because a lot of campgrounds that we go to don't have one, or you know, it's kind of falling apart. It just depends. So this is, believe it or not, guys, in this small little, maybe foot-long package, maybe 1 foot by 8 inches or so, is a portable fire pit. It breaks down, it's all together in this nice thing. It has a little convenient carry handle, so you can just sling it over your shoulder or just carry it with your hands. So we're going to unzip this, and we're going to see what comes inside this box. Alright, guys, so when you open up the box, this is everything that's going to be in it. So you're going to have your base. This is going to be the actual fire pit / grill itself. These are going to be your bottom pads. This is going to be for the charcoal, where if you were using it for charcoal, charcoal briquettes would sit on this, and then this is going to be your cooktop. So you pretty much open it like this, super simple. It opens up, and then you take this part. Well, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, so I had to put you guys down, but you simply unfold it, slip it right in the square, and this is going to be the main fire pit grill cook area, obviously. Then you're going to take one of your little square things, and you're going to simply place it on the bottom there, and it sits in there. Kind of just sits in there. It doesn't get too snug, but you can see I'm hitting it pretty hard. It's not going anywhere. And then after that, you could take your, if you're going to use it for a cooktop, you know, for like charcoal, you'll just slip this in there. Charcoal will sit on here, and then whatever burns off will go down below. And then after that, you're going to take your little grill. This is very difficult to do with one hand, guys. I gotta be honest with you. Alright, and then you'll just slip this in there. It doesn't sit perfectly level, which is kind of strange. I don't think it would do too much to the cooking aspect. You know, I think it would cook just fine. You know, the other issue is it doesn't really lock into place, so it's a little squirmy, but it's not too bad. I could easily throw burgers on here, hot dogs, steaks, whatever I need to, and cook. I even tried flipping it around the other way, but then you have these leg-looking things that kind of just stick out. So it has to go this way. And I was even looking at some YouTube videos online, and they show it this way. So, I mean, it'll work. And then if you wanted to use it as a fire pit, you simply just pull this part out. You could take this out, and then you could burn away. Obviously, there's a plastic film on this, so do make sure that you take that off prior to burning anything. Otherwise, you'll be burning plastic into the air, and you don't want to be breathing that in. That's not good for you. But this thing only weighs 5 pounds, guys. It is super lightweight. Fits into this, you know, little box. I mean, you know, bag, and you could just put it anywhere. If you're in a van or a bus or whatever you're in, even a car or something like that. I mean, this is super portable. You know, you just pick this up. It folds. Whoop, make sure you take your square out. Pop your square out. This folds down. I mean, look how thin it gets. And then you take your frame. Your frame folds all the way down in like 2 seconds. And then here's your grill top. That covers down. And they even give you a spare one for the bottom, so I guess just in case it gets marked up over time or whatnot. And then this is the whole thing, guys, right here. And it just slips right into this bag. It's another, you know, thing, you know, if you don't want to carry around like a Coleman 2-burner stove or something like that, if you really like charbroiled foods and stuff like that, this is really good. You could also just make a regular fire underneath in here, you know, burn it down a little bit and then throw the grill over it and cook right over an open fire like that. You know, a lot of these fire pits, when you go to like these state parks or even campgrounds, a lot of times they're rusted. There's cigarette butts in them. There's just garbage in them. You don't know who used what, put what on it. You know, you don't know if animals are pooping on it or near it. So something like this is really nice to have. You know, you can clean it up. This would be super simple to clean up. I'd probably just throw some Dawn dish soap on it, wipe it down really quick, rinse it off, and let it dry and call it good. And then, you know, you have a fully sanitized, you know, fire pit, little fire pit, grill, whatever you want to use it for, right in your car. And you don't have to worry about, oh, does the campground have a fire pit? One thing to consider, though, is make sure wherever you are that there's no burn bans or anything like that. Also, does the campground that you're at allow open fires? Not that it would be open, it would be contained, but do they allow, you know, fires in general? So that might be something you want to look into. But this is really nice. I'm going to put a link down below, guys. If you're interested, you can take a look. Sam got this for me on Amazon, so I will be putting that link down below. Check it out. and let me know what you guys think. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.